Good morning, students. So let us continue chapter 5, the southern plateau. Okay, so up to now we have read up to here Odisha, and now we are going to learn about the state of Andhra Pradesh and the life over there. Okay, so first of all, the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Hyderabad is also the capital, but it is the combined capital. So you will learn which capital? Amravati. So the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati and Hyderabad both, but you will learn Amravati. And we will learn about the Vishakhapatnam. Vishakhapatnam is a port city. Many major ships come here and stay. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ships आते हैं क्योंकि ये sea के पास है और repair भी होते हैं. Afterwards, the main occupation of the Andhra Pradesh is agriculture. Most of the states here, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, they all have main occupation as agriculture. And the main crops are there is rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane and groundnut. Okay, so tobacco is the leaf of a plant, and Andhra Pradesh is one of the largest producer of tobacco in India. So one of the largest means बहुत सारा tobacco यहाँ पे उगता है. So we have learned about this. Now popular language in Andhra Pradesh is Telugu and Urdu. People spoke Telugu there and Urdu language there. Now classical dances of Andhra Pradesh is Kuchipudi. We have learned that the classical dance of Odisha is Odiya dance, and this is Kuchipudi dance. So we have learned about 2 classical dances in this chapter only, and there are total 8 classical dances. And there is Bidri work. A Bidri work is a handicraft. Like there is so many handicraft famous in Rajasthan also, Bandhani and all. It is done on brass and copper. See, this is very beautifully done on brass and copper. People wear jewelries of it and make stylish things of it. Okay. And the tourist places in Andhra Pradesh are Undavali Caves, Tirumala Hills, Balaji Temple in Tirupati. Balaji Temple is famous in world. Lakhs of devotees come every year to visit Balaji Temple. It's very big and very popular temple in Andhra Pradesh. So this is all about Andhra Pradesh state. We have learned its capital, it's Amravati, and Hyderabad is the combined capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Vishakhapatnam is the port city, which is a very important city also. Main occupation is agriculture, and we have learned about the crops also. Popular languages and the classical dance is Kuchipudi. Then Bidri work, which is done on brass and copper, and then we have learned about the tourist places. Now one of the important fact file we are going to learn about the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Let's see the picture of Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. So this is the picture of Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on page number 42. Okay, and what is the special thing about this Nagarjuna Sagar Dam? That it is located on the border of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And the other important thing that it is made up of brick and stones. There is no extra mechanical thing in it. Like अगर जो अदर डैम्स होते हैं उसमें हाइड्रोलिक्स होते हैं, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे सिस्टम्स होते हैं, इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं, और ये तो सिंपल वॉल की तरह ही डैम है, और ये अपनी तरह का सबसे बड़ा डैम है जो सिर्फ ब्रिक और स्टोन से बना हुआ है. ओके, किसी डैम्स में हाइड्रोलिक ब्रेक्स होते हैं, वो अलग चीज़ होती है. डैम द लार्जेस्ट, इट इज़ रिटन ऑल्सो देयर इन योर बुक दैट it is the largest masonry dam. Masonry dam means a dam which is built of stones and bricks and cement only. Okay, no extra other mechanical part. And it is located on which river? Krishna river. So you have to think, it is very very important. So it is the largest masonry dam. So now it's about Telangana. Okay, Telangana is the newly formed state in our country. Okay, it is carved out from Andhra Pradesh. I have told you about two more states where it is carved out. I have told you about Jharkhand, which is carved out from Bihar, and I have told you about Chhattisgarh, which is carved out from Madhya Pradesh. And now it is Telangana, which is carved out from Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Hyderabad, which is the software industrial hub. सॉफ्टवेयर आपको पता है ना, कंप्यूटर में होते हैं हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप्ड होते हैं. तो दिस इज द सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री हब ऑफ अवर कंट्री. Important cities in Telangana are Warangal and Nizamabad, famous for the education and everything there. Okay. Afterwards, the official language of Telangana is Telugu. Easy to learn. Occupation there is agriculture. I have already told you that among all the states we are going to learn, agriculture is the main occupation. And crops are growing there is rice, sugarcane, cotton and tobacco. You will find sugarcane, cotton and rice, most of them, because all the states here, this and this, they are on southern plateau, and the southern plateau we find more amount of black soil. And black soil is good for growing cotton and sugarcane and little amount of rice. So what is there? Rice, sugarcane, cotton and tobacco. River Godavari and Krishna. Oh, one more thing. You can learn that black soil is good for cotton. Cotton is white, so black and white. White cotton will grow good in black soil. Easy. River Godavari and Krishna also flow from this state, Telangana. Tourist places are Mahbubnagar and Khamman. Mahbubnagar and Khammam. Khammam is the coal town of the South City. It is known as the coal town. यहाँ पे बहुत सारा coal निकलता है. And Belum Caves. Belum Caves are located in Kurnool. See, it is a tourist spot. Now, let's move towards the Tamil Nadu states. We have learned about Tamil Nadu a lot in our previous class also. So, the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Most of the students know this. And Tamil Nadu is famous for the temple in its towns. So, the temple towns of Tamil Nadu are Madhavi, Tiruchirappalli, it's very difficult to pronounce, Tiruchirappalli and Tanjavur and Kanchipuram. So Madhavi, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur and Kanchipuram, they are the temple towns. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे different types के temple पाए जाते हैं. Okay, so this in the southern India there are so many temples which is famous worldwide. Official language of Tamil Nadu is Tamil. Tamil Nadu is famous for Kanjivaram saris. Kanjivaram saris are very beautiful. So again it comes about the occupation of Tamil Nadu. Agriculture, I have told you. Crops, again you can see the rice, sugarcane and cotton, it's common, and groundnut also. And coffee and tea also grown on the Nilgiri hills. You know that coffee and tea are good grown on the hilly areas, slopy areas पे बहुत अच्छी उगती है. और hills क्या होते हैं? Slopy होते हैं, small hills. So coffee and tea also grow in Tamil Nadu. And the festival of Tamil Nadu we have learned in class 3 also. It is Pongal, which is an harvest festival. We have learned about the 4 types of Pongal in class 3. See, they are cooking Pongal. Pongal is a dish of rice, sweet rice. And the classical dance is Bharatnatyam. So, we learn about many classical dances. We have learned about the Odissi dance in Odisha. We have learned about the Kuchipudi dance in Andhra Pradesh. And we have learned about the Bharatnatyam dance in Tamil Nadu. Keep in your mind, they are the classical dances famous worldwide. And the food, very easy, idli, dosa, upma and sambar. They have eaten, this is the cuisine. Cuisine matlab food item जो वहाँ पे खाए जाते हैं. Now next is Karnataka. Karnataka capital is Bangalore. We have learned about Bangalore in class 3. I have told you that is the major IT industry यानी इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्री. यहाँ पर बहुत सारा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड, स्मार्ट इंटेलिजेंस रिलेटेड काम होता है. मेजर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्री. सो इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द सिलिकॉन वैली ऑफ इंडिया. क्यों? क्योंकि जो हमारे कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स होते हैं, मोबाइल फोन के पार्ट्स होते हैं, ये सब सिलिकॉन के बनते हैं. इसलिए यहाँ पे सिलिकॉन का बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड द सिलिकॉन वैली ऑफ India. So Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India because it is the IT industry center. Important cities of Karnataka are Hubli, Mysore and Mangalore. They are the important cities. Mangalore is a port also, seaport. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे ships आते हैं. Rivers Kaveri, Krishna and Tungabhadra. यहाँ से ड्रेन्स होती है किसमें? बे ऑफ बंगाल में गिर जाती हैं. कावेरी, कृष्णा एंड तुंगभद्रा फ्लोज फ्रॉम हियर एंड इट इज द एंड कर्नाटका इज द होम ऑफ मेनी वाटरफॉल्स ऑल्सो. वन ऑफ देम इज जॉग फॉल्स एंड कंचिकाल फॉल्स. जॉग फॉल्स पिक्चर इज गिवन इन योर बुक ऑल्सो. वेरी नाइस पिक्चर. सी, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ जॉग फॉल्स. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. सी रिटर्न ऑल्सो हेयर जॉग फॉल्स. Now, language spoken in Karnataka is Kannada. Easy to learn. And it is also famous for sandalwood. Sandalwood means chandan. And spices grown here. Spices यहाँ उगते हैं और ये famous भी sandalwood के लिए भी है, चंदन की wood के लिए. Sandalwood tree होता है. Carnatic music is very popular all over the country. It is very good for listening this. एंड कोलूर गोल्ड माइंस इज लोकेटेड इन हुडी. यहाँ से गोल्ड निकलता है. ठीक है, इंडिया में यहाँ पे कोलूर गोल्ड माइन से कर्नाटका में गोल्ड निकलता है. एंड नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द महाराष्ट्र. द कैपिटल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र इज मुंबई विच इज ऑल्सो एन हब ऑफ मेनी वर्क्स. So first we talk about that Maharashtra is rich in black soil. I have already told you that all these states are rich in black soil. So Maharashtra is rich in black soil and black soil is good for growing cotton and sugarcane. So Maharashtra is the largest producer of cotton and second largest producer of sugarcane. तो अब यहाँ पे इतना ब्लैक सॉइल है, सबसे ज्यादा महाराष्ट्र में है, तो सब इस यहाँ पे क्या उगती है? कॉटन और शुगर केन बहुत उगती है. इसीलिए महाराष्ट्र इंडिया में कॉटन का सबसे ज्यादा कॉटन यहाँ उगती है और सबसे सेकेंड नंबर पे शुगर केन यहाँ पे उगती है. ओके, इजी टू लर्न. यू जस्ट नीड टू रीड इट. अदर थिंग्स विच आर ग्रोन हेयर आर फ्रूट्स लाइक ग्रेप्स, ऑरेंज एंड बनानास. Especially the orange of Nagpur are very famous all over the country. Now, important cities of Maharashtra are Pune, Nasik, Nagpur and Aurangabad. Okay. So, there are some important cities of Maharashtra. And languages are spoken there is Marathi and Konkani language. The main festival of Maharashtra is Ganesh Chaturthi, which is just now went, and Gudi Padwa. It is the New Year celebration. Now, the clothes were worn by their women is a 9-meter long sari, a very long sari, which is tied in a unique way. Have you seen any Marathi sari? I think you have seen in many TV serials and on social media as well. And men wear dhoti, kurta and Gandhi topi. Topi like Gandhiji used to wear. Now, there is some thing about dance and music. This is tamasha. Tamasha is a kind of drama dance. मतलब ड्रामे के फॉर्म में जो डांस होता है जिसमें स्टोरी टेलिंग होती है, that is called tamasha. And lavani, which is a folk dance performed by the group of women. So this is all about the Maharashtra city. We have finished this chapter. You just read the chapter from starting to the ending. If you don't understand anything, you can simply call me or message me. I'll explain you. Okay, so read chapter carefully and fill the book exercises. It's easy. Okay, bye bye. Take care.